Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix Hulu buffering on your Firestick. So if Hulu keeps pausing or loading during your shows, then just follow along. First, close the Hulu app completely and reopen it. And if the problem continues, restart your Firestick by going to Settings, My Fire TV and selecting Restart. Next, restart your Wi-Fi router to refresh your internet connection. Now go to Settings, Application, Manage Installed Application and select Hulu. Then tap on Clear Cache. Make sure both your Firestick software and Hulu app are updated to the latest version. And if your internet connection is slow, try moving your Firestick closer to your router or switching to a faster Wi-Fi network. So that was how to fix Hulu buffering on Firestick. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.